Good morning, all of you. Is my voice clear right now? Finally, good morning. I didn't speak anything till now. Okay. So, good morning everyone. We have stopped yesterday here. So, according to Vedic maths, all from 9, last from 10. All from 9, last from 10 concept has to be used when menu hand has zeros like this. And bottom of the zero if you have digits. So you have to use this in this area. I have explained yesterday clearly, but due to this mic problem I could not continue the class. So this is one case, this is another case, and this is another case. The three different cases, A, B, C. So when you have only zeros in the menu end, case A, okay, and if you have digits also, case B. See, it has only zeros and digits in the zeros in the menu and digits in the subtrahend. In second case, even digits also is there, numbers, non-zero numbers 3 also is there. And in case B, and only few zeros and digits are there. If you find zeros in the menu and you need not apply this all from 9, last from 10 concept. Okay, I will explain if again. Wait, I think this concept need explanation again. See, check here. As I explained, subtractions without borrowing concept. Okay, subtractions without borrowing concept. See, when you find like this, this is menu and this is subtrahend. When you find zeros in the menu hand and digits remaining, non-zero digits in the subtrahend, you have to apply all from 9, last from 10. Two steps are there. Step 1, subtract all from 9, last from 10. This is one rule. And second rule is take predecessor. Take predecessor of remaining. So here all from 9, last from 10. So 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2. We have 2 here, remaining digit in the menu end. So take 1, because step 2, check step 2, take predecessor of remaining term in the menu end. In the same way here, all from 9, last from 10. See, zeros and digits, remaining non-zero digits, only we have to apply in this area only. We have to all from 9, last from 10 concept has to be applied only in this region where you find zeros in the menu and non-zeros in the subtrahend. So 10 minus 5, you have to subtract like this. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. Here 43 minus 2, of course 41. That means 3 minus 2, 1, and this is 4. But you have to take 40. When you apply this rule 1, you have to apply rule 2 also. Okay, and here 0 minus 0, you need not apply here. You need not apply all from 9 lost from 10, because if you want to apply all from 9 lost from 10, you have to apply only where zeros in the minuend and non-zeros in the subtrahend. In this region only you have to apply in this area. Okay, see again here zeros in the minuend, bottom non-zero digits in the subtrahend. So again apply all from 9 lost from 10 concept. This is 10 here, this is 9 here. So 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 again 4. Here 9 minus 4 actually 5 and remaining number is 6. But if you apply all from 9 lost from 10 concept, you have to take second step as take predecessor of remaining. Remaining things means 69 minus 4 65, you have to take 64 here. Okay, like that you have to do. Is it clear? Yes, we can also check digital root. Good. Subtraction checking methods are, there are two methods for subtraction checking. According to Vedic maths, we can do with digital root, or else if you add answer and subtrahend, you have to get minuend. This you have to get. Okay, fine. Next. Now vinculation. Once again listen carefully. Vinculation is a technique in Vedic maths where we can convert large digits or higher digits into lower digits, okay, or smaller digits, to simplify our calculations. Just to simplify our calculations, we use this vinculation method. Generally we convert 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for example, I have given one example here. Let me check where that slide. Yes. See, vinculation process also. Subtract all from 9 last from 10. First one is same, remember. First step is same for even subtraction using all from 9 last from 10, or vinculation process or devinculation process. First step is same for all processes. Remember this. First step is same for all processes. That is the reason you have to remember this all from 9 last from 10 step for all processes. This is same for all. That means subtraction using all from 9 last from 10, or vinculation process or devinculation process. I will explain one by one later, but for all process this is same. Clear? Next. Second step is take successor of remaining. In subtraction, just we have discussed about subtraction when we find zeros in the minuend and non-zero digits in the subtrahend. We apply all from 9 last from 10 and take predecessor of remaining in that case. But in vinculation process, why do we do vinculation? Through vinculation we convert higher digits into lower digits to simplify our calculations. Okay, so in this vinculation first step is same as per same like subtraction using all from 9 last from 10. So first step is subtract all from 9 last from 10. That too, remember this first step is same for vinculation, devinculation or subtraction using all from 9 last from 10. Okay, in these three methods first step is same. Second step vary based on process. So vinculation, in vinculation step, second step is take successor of remaining part. Okay, in vinculation process only we take successor, in remaining two parts we take predecessor. You will know that in devinculation process. So in vinculation process only we take successor. So for example, here I gave 48, converting 48 using vinculation process. Remember 48, in 48 8 is the higher digit. Generally we vinculate higher digits only, 6 7 8 9. Okay, in this all from 9 last from 10, first we have to apply all from 9 last from 10, but we have only one digit, one higher digit, so we apply only last from 10. So 10 minus 8 bar 2. So after in vinculation we get vinculated form. If you find any bar on numbers, that is in vinculated form. Simple. We convert 8 into 2. That is the reason vinculation process is a process to convert higher digit into lower digit to simplify our calculation. See, we convert 8 into bar 2. If you find any bar, if you find bar on any numbers, that is vinculated form. You have to take successor of remaining part. So 4 successor is 5. So vinculated part of 48 is 5 bar 2. Vinculated form of 48 is 5 bar 2. For example, 379. Just do it. Vinculate 379, everyone. Vinculate higher digits only. You can apply all from 9 last from 10. For example, here in 379 you can find two higher digits. So last from 10, remaining all from 9 last from 10. 9 minus 1, 10 minus 9 bar 1, 9 minus 7 bar 2, and 3 successor is 4. Second step also you have to take successor of remaining part, step 2. So 4 bar 2 bar 1 is the vinculated form of 379. I hope this one is clear, everyone. So apply, subtract all from 9 last from 10, first step. So this is first step and this is second step. Take successor of remaining part. 4 minus 2 1. Okay, బార్ మీరు టైప్ చేయలేరు కదా. ఓకే, యూ కెనాట్ టైప్ బార్ ఆన్. ఎస్, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, so in this vinculation process we have different conditions. If nothing is specified, just in earlier example I told you to vinculate, I didn't specify anything. Vinculate only higher digit, vinculate only lower digit, vinculate all digits, vinculate like that I didn't give any conditions. So if nothing is specified, you have to vinculate higher digits only. But if anything specified like this, see, case 1, vinculate all digits. That means, example, I gave 7358 here. Okay, if I say vinculate all digits, you have to vinculate all digits irrespective of higher digit or lower digits. So take all from 9 last from 10, adi lower digit aina higher digit aina, just vinculate. First step is, remember, subtract all from 9 last from 10. And second step is, take successor of remaining. Successor of remaining menu and number. So here we don't have any remaining number, so first you can add 0 here. Remember, if you cannot find any remaining, you can add 0 here in front of, because 0 means if you add 0 to the left side of the number, value will not change. 707358 equal to 7358. I have explained this concept already. If you add 0 to the left side of the number, value will not change. So now you can apply this both rules. Apply all from 9, last from 10. See what you find, what you get. So 10 minus 8 bar 2. So you are viniculating, means you will get viniculated form. If you find bar on any digits, that is viniculated form. So 9 minus 4, remember, bar 4. 9 minus 3, bar 6. 9 minus 7, bar 2. Okay. So next step, take successor of remaining minuend number. So here only we put 0 here for our convenience. 0 successor is 1. You can write 1 as a successor of 0. This is the viniculated form of 7358. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. 1 minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2. So here I gave condition. Remember, this is condition, viniculate all digits. This is condition or specified. I specified as viniculated, viniculate all digits. Again, example 2. Viniculate, here also you have to viniculate all digits. Okay, type actually. Okay, leave it, waste of time. Viniclate 77,385, everyone. Viniclate 77,385 means I didn't, in case 1 we have to viniclate all digits. I am explaining about case 1, viniclate all digits. That means you have to apply all digits. You have to apply viniculation process to all digits. Do it and tell me, or else I will do it. apply all from 9, first step, apply all from 9 last from 10, that's it. Bar 5, 9 minus 8 bar 1, 9 minus 3 bar 6, 9 minus 7 bar 2, 9 minus 7 again bar 2. So where do we apply this successor? Where do we take successor? Where do you take from? You have to assume there is a 0 before 7. So 0 successor is 1. Yes, 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 5. So we call this as vinculated form. Remember, we call this as vinculated form because you can find bar on numbers on few digits. This is called as vinculated form. You can call it vinculated form. So vinculated form of 77385, 77,385 is 1 bar 2 bar 2 bar 6 bar 1 bar 5. This is vinculated form of 77,385. Okay, final example in this case. Example 3, vinculate Vinclate 78,967. That means you have to apply all from 9 last from 10. So here you have to apply on all digits because all are, this is vinclate all digits means you have to apply on all digits. 10 minus 7 bar 3, 9 minus 6 bar 3 again, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 8 bar 1, 9 minus 7 bar 2. Once again you have to assume there is a 0 before 7. 0 successor is 1. So ఇక్కడ బార్ 9 minus 9 0 వచ్చింది కదా, 0 మీద బార్ పెట్టుకున్నా పెట్టుకోకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు బికాజ్ మైనస్ 0 అనేది ఉంటుంది కదా, 0 -1 +1 -2 +2. సో -0 అనేది ఉండదు ఈవెన్ ఇన్ నెంబర్ లైన్ ఆల్సో. మన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది కదా నెంబర్ లైన్లో, అక్కడ కూడా సో నెంబర్ లైన్లో మనకి 0 మిడిల్లో ఉంటుంది. 0 సో ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంటుంది. ఇటువైపు పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి 1 2 3, ఇటువైపు నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్స్, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్, -1 -2 -3 అండ్ సో ఆన్ కదా, -3 -4 -5 ఇలా. కానీ -0 అనేది ఉండదు. వీ కెనాట్ ఫైండ్ -0 ఇన్ మ్యాథ్స్. సో 0 మీద బార్ ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా ఒకటే. సో ఐ హోప్ you understand this vinculated all digits. Case 1, vinculating all digits. Is it clear everyone? Sir, I cannot understand vinculation process properly. 2 steps amma only. We have only 2 steps. Subtract all from 9 last from 10. Here I gave condition. Vinculation లో కొన్ని కండిషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఏం వినిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి, ఏ డిజిట్స్ చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ నేను అన్ని డిజిట్స్ వినిక్యులేషన్ చేయమని చెప్పాను. సో ఆల్ డిజిట్స్, వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్స్. కండిషన్ ఏంటి, వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్స్. ఒక్కొక్కసారి కండిషన్ ఏముండదు, జస్ట్ వినిక్యులేట్ అని ఇస్తే హయ్యర్ డిజిట్స్ మాత్రమే చేస్తాం. వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్స్, వినిక్యులేట్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్యూ డిజిట్స్ అని ఇస్తే బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కండిషన్ ఆర్ స్పెసిఫికేషన్ మేము చేస్తాం. వెన్ నథింగ్ ఈజ్ స్పెసిఫైడ్ వీ వినిక్యులేట్ హయ్యర్ డిజిట్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, వెన్ నథింగ్ ఈజ్ స్పెసిఫైడ్, ఏం చెప్పకపోతే హయ్యర్ డిజిట్స్ అంటే 6, 7, 8, 9 జనరల్గా ఇవే వినిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. ఒకవేళ ఇలా కండిషన్స్ ఇస్తే వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్స్, వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ అలా ఇస్తే ఓన్లీ అలా చేస్తాం. కండిషన్ ఇవ్వకపోతే వినిక్యులేట్ హయ్యర్ డిజిట్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో వినిక్యులేట్ అంటే ఏంటి, 2 ప్రాసెస్ అప్లై చేయడం. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ఆల్ ఫ్రమ్ 9 లాస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 10. ఇక్కడ అన్ని డిజిట్స్కి వినిక్యులేట్ చేయమన్నాం. కేస్ 1 ఏంటి, వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్స్. రిమెంబర్, see this is case 1. look here, వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్ హైలైట్ చేశాను చూడండి. వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్స్, that means you have to vinicate every digit. that means you have to apply subtract all from 9 last from 10 on every digit. ఫస్ట్ అది అప్లై చేయాలి. ప్రతి డిజిట్ మీద ఆల్ ఫ్రమ్ 9 లాస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 10 రూల్ అప్లై చేయాలి. అప్లై చేసి టేక్ సక్సెసర్ ఆఫ్ రిమైనింగ్. ఇక్కడ ఎవ్రీ డిజిట్ మనం ఆల్ డిజిట్స్ మనం వినిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది అనుకొని 0 సక్సెసర్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా 0 ఉంది అనుకొని 0 సక్సెసర్ 1 మనం వినిక్యులేటర్ ఫార్మాట్లోకి తీసుకుంటాం. ఎవరికో అర్థం కాలేదన్నారు. ప్రమీల డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ నౌ? So this is the case where you have to vinicate all digits. But when you have to vinicate only few digits, ఎలా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాం. చూడండి, ఇది కేస్ 1 కదా. కేస్ 2, case 2 vinicate all digit except last digit. For example ఏం చూద్దాం, 7, 8, 5, 6, 9. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, వినిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ డిజిట్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్. లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ అంటే ఇందులో వన్స్ ప్లేస్ డిజిట్ అని. ఓకే, రిమెంబర్, లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ అంటే ఇది, దిస్ ఈజ్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్, 9 ఈజ్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్. ఇలా స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఓన్లీ 9 యూ హ్యావ్ టు లీవ్ 9 అండ్ వినిక్యులేట్ రిమైనింగ్ డిజిట్స్. ఓకే, వినిక్యులేట్ 6, నెక్స్ట్ 10 మైనస్ రిమైనింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 9. నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లీవ్ 9 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. You have to apply all from 9 last from 10 concept or rule on remaining digits. Here condition is I specified here vinicate all digit except last digit. So last digit మాత్రమే వదిలేసి మిగతా వాటి మీద ఈ వినిక్యులేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ అప్లై చేస్తాం. 10 - 6 bar 4, 9 - 5 again bar 4, 9 minus 8 bar 1, 9 minus 7 bar 2 again we don't have any remaining digits, so assume there is a 0 before 7 and take successor of 0 as 1. This is the thing. I hope you clear. I hope you understood perfectly without any confusion. Here I specified except last digit, vinculate all digit except last digit. I have given a specification, vinculate all digit except last digit, so you have to leave last digit as it is and vinculate remaining digit. Is it clear everyone? Fine. So vinculate this number. In same case, this is example 1, this is example 2. One minute. Okay. Many of you gave. చాలా మంది ఆన్సర్స్ ఇచ్చేసారా? ఓకే, లెట్ మీ చెక్. Okay, here we have to viniclate all digit except last one. You have to remove, you have to leave this 3 as it is. Leave this 3 as it is. So apply all from 9 last from 10 on remaining digits. So 10 minus 9 bar 1, 9 minus 8 bar 1, 9 minus 5 bar 4, 9 minus 7 bar 2. Assume there is a 0. Apply second rule also. Remaining. Take successor of remaining. This is the viniculated form of 75,893. Is it clear, everyone? But except we viniculated only few digits, except we viniculated all digits except last digit, like this. Okay. So when nothing is specified, we viniclate higher digits only. That is clear. But if there is any specification like this, viniclate all digit except last digit, like that. If there is any specification, you have to follow that specification. ఎవరికో జీరో వచ్చింది, ఎవరికో సాయిబాబా తనుబుద్ధి is right. Pramila, you did wrong. Correct it. Poonam Das, right. You're right. Prediredla Trinath, right. Ekkada wrong. Yes, 3 వదిలేసానా? Yes, I forgot 3. 3 you have to write as it is. Remaining 10 minus 9 1, 10 bar 1, 9 minus 8 bar 1, 4 2, successor of 0 1. Yes, you have to add you should not forget 3 also. Yes. Okay, fine. Let's take another case. Case 3. Viniclate all digits except first digit. So you have to leave first digit as it is, viniclate remaining all digits. $35,879. So you have to viniclate all digit except first digit means 3. This is first digit, remember. This is last digit. You should not forget that. Okay. Now 3 5 8 7 9. You have to leave 3 like that. You have to viniclate remaining parts. All from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 9 bar 1, 9 minus 7 bar 2, 9 minus 8 bar 1, 9 minus 5 bar 4. So apply second rule. Take successor of remaining part. 4 is the successor of 3. You have to take remaining viniculated part as it is. This is the viniculated form on the specification. With this specification, vinculated form of 35,879 is 4 bar 1 bar 2 bar 1. You have to pronounce it as bar 2. Remember that. Okay. So like this you have to follow these specifications. Next, remember these lines. When nothing is specified, vinculate only. Remember this is very important. When nothing is specified, till now we have seen 3 cases with specification, but when nothing is specified, remember, when nothing is specified, vinculate higher digits only. Is it clear? Note it down. When nothing is specified, vinculate higher digits only. So vinculate this. So vinculate 85,675. That means you have to vinculate higher digits only. That means these 8562. So apply all from 9, last from 10 from here. Ten, 9, 9, 9. So vinculated form of these are, you have to leave as it is. You have to take 2 as it is. Sorry, 10 minus 7 bar 3, 9 minus 6 bar 3 again, 9 minus 5 bar 4, 9 minus 8 bar 1. Assume there is a 0. And why we have to assume this 0? Because you have to apply second rule also, take successor of remaining part. So this is the vinculated form of 85,672. Remember, when nothing is specified, we vinculate higher digits only. When nothing is specified, vinculate higher digits only. Voice is not working. अरे यार, is my voice okay now? Okay. Okay. So remember when nothing is specified, we have to vinclate higher digits only, like this. And what about this second example? This is example 1, this is example 2. This is example 2. So try to do example 2. So when nothing is specified, vinclate higher digits only. Ela unnappudu, when we find lower digits between numbers or between digits in a number, when you find lower digits in number, so remember, you cannot continue this all from 9 last from 10 concept if you find this kind of digits 7, 5, 2, 8, 9, 7. We have only few higher digits, we have one lower digits 2. So you cannot apply all from 9 last from 10 concept. You cannot, you should not vinclate 2 because 2 is already a lower digit. So why we vinclate number? Through vinclation we convert higher digits into lower digits, but here 2 already a lower digit, we need not vinclate 2. So when nothing is specified, that is the reason when nothing is specified we vinclate higher digits only. So here you can remember, you have to apply all from 9 last from 10 concept on higher digits only when nothing is specified. So you can apply on 7 like this till 2, all from 9 last from 10. Okay, 10 minus 7 bar 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, 0, 9 minus 8 bar 1. Here you cannot apply, you cannot continue or apply all from 9 last from 10 because you need not vinclate 2 because 2 is already a lower digit. So you have to restart from here. So restart all from 9 last from 10. So 10 minus 5 bar 5, 9 minus 7 bar 2, and assume there is a 0 before 7. So this is the 2, you have to write as it is. You should not put bar on 2. So this is the vinculated form of 75,000, sorry, 7,52,897. Did you understand? Once again I am repeating it. When you find lower digit between these, between digits, between higher digits, when you find lower digits, lower digit or digits between higher digits in a number, you have to stop that vinculation process on lower digits because vinculation process is meant for converting higher digits into lower digit. Okay, but 2 is already lower digit. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are lower digits. You need not apply vinculation process. So you have to apply only on higher digits when nothing is specified. So I told you, when nothing is specified, vinculate higher digits only. Only here we find 5 higher digits, 1 lower digit. So you need not apply this vinculation process on 2. Clear? So apply from 7, 9, 8. You can start vinculation process You can apply vinculation process on 7, 9, 8, but not on 2. Again restart vinculation process on 5 and 7, like this. Restart means all from 9, last from 10. So you got break here because of lower digit, you got break here, remember that. So you have to restart again. You got break here due to lower digit, you got break here. This is one part, this is one part of vinculation. So you're doing vinculation process on parts. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now vinculate this number. Vinculate this number, everyone. Yes, you have to take successor of 2. I forgot there, 1 minute. Yes, you have to take 3 here. So vinculated in 2 parts, you have to take 3 here. Remember, we did vinculation process in parts. First part is from 7 to 8, and we need not vinculate these 2 because it is already a lower digit. So we continued from 7 to 9, right? So all from 9, last from 10 till from 7 to 8 only. So you have to take second step also, that is take successor of remaining part. So 2 successor is 3, you have to take 3 here. Again assume there is a 0 because we are applying all from 9, last from 10 on 5 and 7. 10 minus 5 bar 5, 9 minus 7 bar 2. Assume there is a 0, take 0 successor 1 as 0 successor. So 1 bar 2 bar 5, 3 bar 1, 0 bar 3 is vinculated form of this number. Which one? 7,52,897. See, even you are doing vinculation process in parts, apply both rules. Apply all from 9, last from 10, and apply taking successor of remaining part. Okay, here we applied see we applied this all from 9, last from 10 on 2 parts. This is one part, this is another part, right? So in both parts we have to apply both rules, vinculation rules, all from 9, last from 10, and taking successor of remaining part. So you have to take 3 as a successor of 2 here. You have to take 1 as a successor of 0. Okay, that is the reason I gave in next. So vinculate this. So vinculate this number 3,78,25,982. Vinclate this. So there is a lower digit. This one is lower digit, this one is lower digit, and this one is lower digit. So we need not apply this vinculation process on lower digits. So apply from here, all from 9, last from 10 till this place. So we have to apply on. So you can take 2 as it is. So we have 2 already a lower digit. So 10 minus 8 bar 2, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 5 bar 4, and you have to take successor of 2 3. Next here, second part of vinculation. So 10 minus 8 bar 2, 9 minus 7 again bar 2, 3 successor 4. Sai Baba, you have to find 5 0 5. You didn't vinculate 5. Wrong answer. Inside. Yes. Gokada. Wrong answer. Gokada. Okay, fine. These are the processes. So this is the process of vinculation. When nothing is specified, you have to vinculate higher digits only. When specified, you have like this: case 1, case 2, case 3. When something is specified, you have to follow that specification, or else, see, in first case, vinculate all digits. You have to vinculate all digits, even those are lower digit also. Vinculate all digit except last digit. You have to leave last digit even it is higher digits. Vinculate all digit except last digit. Next, vinculate all digit except first digit. Here specification is you have to leave first digit. This is first digit, this is last digit. So when nothing is specified, when condition is not given, or when nothing is specified, remember, when nothing is specified, vinculate higher digits only. Sometimes you have to apply this vinculation process on parts, on part 1, part 2, like that. I gave this example. In this example we may not do on parts, but in second example we have to do in parts. And this third example, this is also, in this example also we have to do vinculation process in parts. So I will post worksheet in the WhatsApp channel. Okay, you have to complete that worksheet, then you can get clarity. Okay, tomorrow we can discuss about devinculation process. Why we have to do this vinculation and devinculation, I will explain tomorrow. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.